In the shadows of your pages I became your fear. You cast me as the villain, made it crystal clear. Every word a dagger, every glance a scar. But don't forget the chapter where you raised the bar. You wrote your own ending, but you left out the start. The truth's a tangled story woven deep in the heart. So feel free to tell them I'm the monster in your tale. But remember the chapter where love began to pale. When the lights turned to darkness and the trust faded away. Just don't forget to mention your craft in my dismay. The fears that you breed. You painted me with colors of rage and despair. But I was born from moments when you weren't really there. You shaped this monster with a touch of your